So here we are with the Turnigy Evolution review, only 2 years after it came out. But what I've just noticed is right now this is at a really low price of £26 or about 33 US dollars. And for me that's just amazing. This was my starter transmitter and it's just done me so well, and recently I've just been doing some range reviews for it, and I just wanted to show you the range reviews, and I'll just say it's at a low price, so you should jump out and get this if you're getting into the hobby as a starter transmitter at least. Now I've been able to get about 750 meters with this transmitter, and I think that it would have gone a lot further, but the issue is it was getting late, the sun was going down, my battery was running out, and I didn't want to walk 2 kilometers in the dark. I was doing it on the moors, and you should be seeing the footage of it now. When I did a turnaround test at the end, and I got snow, so I didn't want to be getting too far out and fail-safing. Now with this test, it is out in the open, it is an open field, and there is no other things getting in the way. I did a couple more tests on a field which was about 450 meters long, and it was totally fine out in the open. I had a couple of issues where I was getting the warning when I was flying behind some metal goalposts. Apart from that, I had no issues with it at all. The difference in price between this and the Taranis QX7 is absolutely massive. Now, if we have a look at the transmitter, it looks good. For me, this fits way better for me because I'm used to this, and you can clearly see that they were going for a gamepad approach. Now, when I've tried to get my friends into it, they pick up this and they understand it. And when you give them the bigger ones, where you've got to be a bit more pinchy, it's a little bit different. Now, what are the good and bad points about this? The good, obviously, the way it feels in your hands. It's light. I quite like the touch screen. See if you can see it here. You've got a touch screen system, and it's quite easy to bind. We have you can select the model, you can change the model names, you can have up to 5 different drones that you can connect to. I know that's not a massive amount if you have 50 drones like some people do. I don't, so it does fine for me. And if we were to put this to the test against a Taranis, would it get beaten? Yes, it probably would. Would it get beaten by much? Probably not. I really only have issues with the range and the penetration with this as much as I do my video, and I've got a 600 milliwatt tramp, so I'm getting bad video before this is cutting out on me. And you're obviously not going to be using this if you're going on crazy long range missions. You'll be going for the Taranis with the Crossfire or whatever other module you're going for. And are they better? Yeah, of course they are, but you know, you're talking about 6 to 8 times the price, so is it going to be better? Of course it is. Let's get rid of that for a second. The other thing is the receiver on this. This is one just on the quad, on the cheaper quad. Now you can see it's a big object. You know, getting this into your quad and fitting it. You know, if you've got a smaller build, that isn't going to be great. And if you compare it to the XM receiver from the Free Sky stuff, I mean, it's just obvious. It's a huge thing. It's a brick, But does it get the job done? Are you new to the hobby? Do you want to go and spend £125, or I think you can get a QX7 for maybe £90. No, for me, you know, this does the job. Do the sticks feel a little bit plasticky? A little bit, yeah, but is it an issue? No, not at all. Does it handle well? Yeah, it's fine. I quite like the LEDs. Does it have enough switches? Again, for me, for a starter person, yes, it does. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video to show off the range tests I've been doing and say, if you're getting into the hobby, that this is a great piece of kit. And I shouldn't forget, actually, that if you're trying to transport this thing around, the version 1 of this comes with this protector. I know with the version 2 you have to pay more and get this as an accessory. Anyway, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to find it, it's probably in the description below. Yeah, enjoy. Happy flying, guys.